What's up guys, this is Jake with Gatekeeper Off-Road, and this is another one of our awesome products. This is our trailer tail light housing kit, and this comes in either a weld-on version or a bolt-on version. So the bolt-on version will have a plate on the back side, and they will come powder coated and come with the hardware, so you have everything you need to install them. But they're going to come with all LED lighting. They're 3/16 thick, and they're boxed in, and they're super strong. You can drive over these things, you can step on them, you can smash them into rocks, and they're not going to tear off like all of the other taillights on the market. Trust me, we've been through this before a few times, which is why we made this product, so that we could have the strongest taillight on the market, so we know we're not going to have any problems when we're getting our rigs to the trail. Whether or not you're using these things for commercial use or for personal use, this is going to be an awesome upgrade for you to never have to worry about your lights again. So guys, if you like this product, please check us out on our website, gatekeeperoffroad.com. Follow us on social media, and thanks for watching.